Have you ever wondered how different operating systems, like Linux, macOS, or UNIX, run the same software without changing the code? That's where POSIX comes in. Imagine a kitchen shared by 3 chefs. Chef Artie makes biryani using a pressure cooker. Chef Marco makes pasta in a pan. Chef Ming stir-fry in a wok. They're all fantastic cooks, but their tools and methods are very different. Now picture this. Artie's pressure cooker whistles too loudly. Marco misses his pasta timer. Ming's wok splashes oil on Marco's sauce. And chaos builds up. Why? Because there's no standard system to follow. So the head chef steps in and creates a kitchen rulebook. Rule 1. Everyone must announce their cooking times. Rule 2. All timers use a central kitchen clock. Rule 3. Common tools are kept in fixed places. Now, even though they cook different things, they can work in harmony, thanks to shared standards. That's exactly what POSIX does, but for operating systems. POSIX stands for Portable Operating System Interface. It's a set of standards developed by the IEEE based on the UNIX operating system. Its main goal? To make software portable across multiple systems, so developers can write code once and run it anywhere that supports POSIX. Here's what POSIX standardizes. File operations, functions like open, read, write, and delete. Process management, creating and controlling programs using fork, exec, and wait. Signals and inter-process communication, sending messages between programs using signals, pipes, semaphores, and shared memory. Multi-threading, POSIX, threads or pthreads, make parallel processing possible across platforms. Input and output, standardized ways to handle devices like keyboards, screens, or networks. Shell and command line tools. Many Unix commands and behaviors are POSIX defined. That's why shell scripts often work on different systems without change. Let's take an example. You write a shell script to back up your files. If your script follows POSIX rules, you can run it on a Linux server, a macOS terminal, or a BSD system without rewriting a single line of code. That's the power of POSIX. In short, POSIX is like a universal rulebook for operating systems. It ensures portability, reliability, and compatibility, so the software can run smoothly across platforms. If you found this helpful, stick around for more deep dives into the world of technology.